Good morning to everyone. So in this slide, we are going to see about the various quality assurance techniques and what is the CMM techniques and what are the platform level performance analysis. Okay. So in this earlier slide, we have seen the modern trend controller diagrams, class diagram and conceptual diagram, collaboration diagram. Okay. So in this slide, we are going to see about the various quality assurance techniques. So before that, we are going to see about the design methodology. So what is meant by the design flow? So the design flow is a sequence of steps to be followed during the design. So there are various design methodologies like a waterfall model and spiral model and the selective refinement model and the concurrent model. So in this waterfall model, the requirement and the architectural design and the coding, testing, maintenance phases will be followed. A simple embedded system will be used for this waterfall model. Okay. So the next one is refinement spiral model. So spiral model in this system feasibility and the prototype and specifications and initial enhancement system. So the system feasibility means whether a system is we can able to complete or not. That's called system feasibility. Okay. So system feasibility, based on the system feasibility, we have to collect the specifications and we have to collect the prototype of the particular embedded system. The next initial system, and we have to find the disadvantages we have to overcome in the next enhanced system. So that's called spiral model. Okay. So the next one is successive refinement model. So first one, the specify, architect, design, build, test. So if you find that any disadvantages in the initial system, we have to move on next system. Let's refine the system, specify, architect, design, build, test. So we have to find the another version when we go for a successful embedded system with 100% successful. So that's the objective of this successful refinement. Next one is concurrent engineering model. So concurrent engineering model, when we go for this hardware design, the specifications, hardware architectural designs. So in this hardware architectural design specifications, detailed design, integration, test. So the software design means the specifications, software architectures, module, and integration and test. Okay, so this is the concurrent model. Will be go for this hardware and software designs. The next one is requirement analysis. So the requirement analysis will be based on to meet the several tests. Okay, so that means correctness, unambiguousness, completeness, verifiability, consistency, and modifiability, and traceability. Okay, so these are all the requirement analysis details. Okay. The next one is specifications. So these are all the languages which we used in the C program, like algorithm, like a flowchart. So it's called control-oriented language specifications. The first symbol is state. It will define the state of the particular embedded system design. The second one is input. The third one is output. The fourth one is task, which task is performing. Whether the decision box, whether yes or no. Whether the save will be used for the final implementations. Okay, so that's called the control-oriented specification. The next one is system analysis and architecture by means of the CRC cards. What is meant by CRC cards? The classes, responsibilities, collaborators. So classes means a logical grouping of data and functionality. Responsibility means the classes, what responsibilities is due by the classes. The collaborators will be used for the classes which they given the classwork. Okay. So the next one is what are the objectives of the CRC card should need means the develop an initial list of classes, write an initial list of responsibilities, collaborators, create some usage scenarios, walk through the scenario, refine the classes, add class relationships. Okay, so these are all the CRC cards function. The next one is quality assurance. As usual, we are defining the ISO International Standards Organization, ISO 9000. So in this, we have process is crucial, documentation, communication is the important aspect of the particular quality assurance. So quality assurance is vital for the delivery of satisfactory systems. Okay. Next one is CMM, capability maturity model. Initial. The capability maturity model will be used for the measuring the quality of an organizing software developing process. Initial, repeatable, defined, managed, and optimized. Okay. So these are all the CMM model. The next one is design review. Design review is a critical component of a quality assurance. The designers must be able to central the design process, review later, and describe the records, And the design review audience studies will used for the will naturally include the other members of the project for which this component is being designed. Okay, so these are the design reviews. The next one is consumer electronic architecture. So it will be used for the use case diagrams. So multimedia, data storages, and the management and the communications. So when we go for our mobile systems, so mobile system, if we hear some song synthesis by means of this use case diagram, we come to know a lot of functionalities inside that for watching mobile phones. So likewise, we have designed the use cases to design one internet systems. Okay. So use case of this synchronizing with the host to the system. The functionality of architecture of a generic consumer electronic devices, it's a basic of the particular use case diagram, how we approach that use case diagram. Okay. So the next one is platform level performance analysis. In this platform level performance analysis, the system level performance involves much more than CPU. So more precisely, the CPU provide an upper bound of the performance. So we want to move the data from memory to the CPU, read from the memory, transfer over the bus and cache, and transfer from a cache to CPU. Okay. So that's it. We are completing the first unit. So in this slide, we have seen the quality assurance, various design methodology, and what is the platform level performance analysis, and the consumer electronics architecture. Okay, thank you.